saw it. It's healthy, it's better, it's good for everyone. The same thing that we saw, I've never seen, hindi ko nakita yung personally, but I saw it in San Francisco, I saw it in New York. So if they can do that in the capital of this country or major cities in the world, the city can showcase also the talent, skills, and artistic value of our LGBTQI community here in the capital of the country.
So bakit sa tingin mo po deserve ng LGBTQI
Or they're part of the community, whether they like it or not, whether others would agree or not. They're human beings, everyone is human being. Sabi ko kasi, walang mahirap, walang pilitas, walang mahirap. Lahat kailangan pagdating nila sa Maynila, maramdaman nila na I'm at home, I'm at peace, I'm always welcome here. Especially, the area is very symbolic. This area, the Ermita, Malate area. We wanted to revive, revert that kind of mood of inclusiveness here in Malate in the early times, mga bata pa kami. So ito yung next generation, students and parents, and now birds again here in Manila. In fact, we see that building that where library used to be located. Magbago man ang mga itsura sa Malate, but the mood is still there, history is there, and the people, we value each and every one